guys, welcome back to another vlog. We're gonna do a weekend vlog, but this one's gonna be a lot of fun because we are going to a New York City wedding. We're gonna be staying at the Plaza Hotel tomorrow, and tonight we are going to the welcome party at the Plaza Hotel. So I'm gonna show you guys some outfits and bring you guys along for a really fun weekend. Basically a lot of just wedding events, but I thought it would be really fun to vlog. I'm definitely gonna give you guys a Plaza room tour because I'm so excited to stay there. I've always wanted to stay at that hotel, and we're gonna bring Hudson. Ooh, nice suit.
Thank you.
Very nice. We can show our outfits. Yes, this is the same dress that I got proposed to. So I'm just wearing the same dress to the welcome party because it's at 9 p.m. and it's a little late, but these are our outfits. Very nice. And we gotta run. So we're going to the Plaza Hotel. You said, hey vlog. We gotta go to the Plaza Hotel. So we're running out now, and tomorrow we're gonna head to the Plaza Hotel. I'm debating on whether I wanna get a blowout, a haircut, or just do my hair myself because I'm having a good hair day today. And I don't know, I could just do the same hair tomorrow. But we picked up my dress. Actually, we picked it up 2 days ago, my fiance did, and there's pin mark on it. So we went back to the tailor today and they were like, we basically can't get it out until after the wedding because it's like gonna take a long time and then the dress won't be ready. So it was a huge headache today and I was like, oh my gosh. So I need to figure that out tomorrow, but it's fine. Like the dress, I can still wear it, but it is annoying that it's a brand new dress with some marks on it. But as soon as the wedding's over, I'm just gonna drop it back off at the tailor and they're gonna handle it, but it's gonna be fine. But we gotta go, we gotta run to the Plaza casually. So let's go, have a good night. It's wedding day and we're heading to the Plaza. Woo! We're all packed up. Yeah, we're really excited because I can't wait to see our room. I'm gonna give y'all a room tour. We got my dress in the back. I couldn't get the stain out. It's like pin mark or mud. I don't know what the heck it is. But you know what? I have to wear the dress, so whatever. And we have Hudson's stuff all packed up. You have your tux. And we're gonna get some coffee, but it's about like 2:30 and we have to go check in and then start getting ready. And I really want to run to Bergdorf's because obviously we're right next door. We don't have time to stop at Bergdorf's.
It's not on the itinerary.
I know, but I kind of want to, but whatever. Maybe in the morning. We'll see. But we're right next door. I feel like I could run in for 5 minutes. But we'll see. But anyways, I'm excited to give y'all a room tour, a hotel tour, everything tour. I'm so excited to just like get ready in the hotel room because I was gonna take a shower this morning and then grab my fiance. If you didn't know, that's his name. But he was like, no, you have to take a shower there. And I feel like that's like the whole experience of like taking a shower, yeah, and like getting ready in like the most beautiful room. So that's what we're gonna do as soon as we get there. Oh, this is the
City streets.
Yeah, they block off. Is this Park or Madison? They block off Park. And during the summer, yeah, they don't let any cars down Park Ave. And I'm pretty sure it goes all the way downtown and you can ride your bike. Look at all the people. You can ride your bike and you can walk and it's like such a vibe. It's so cool. My fiance just ran into Le Bouquet to get us coffee because as soon as I was vlogging and I was like, we need coffee, I was like, pull over, that's one of my favorite spots. Oh, can open. Will you turn the car back on because it turned off?
Hit the button.
Thank you. How much was that graham cracker thing? 7?
15. This lady tried to get it in front of me. She's like, how much is this? I was like, 15. And then me and her looked at each other and I just started dying laughing and she walked out.
No.
That's for Hudson. I'll be right back.
Here, buddy. Here. Some water. We always just get a cup from like little stores around here or like little coffee shops when we're out with Hudson so he can drink some water. Good? You feel much better? But we are like honestly 2 blocks from the hotel and I cannot wait to stay at the Plaza. And I feel like it's so much fun to be a tourist in your own city. And last night when we went to the welcome party at the Plaza Hotel, it was cool to be around people who don't live in the city. They're from where I'm from. They're from Houston. And a lot of the people, it was their first times in New York. So it was really cool to hear like what they were up to like on their first day and just their thoughts and like experience on New York and like things like that from people who don't live here. It's just cool to like hear from like the other side. But it is so much fun to be a tourist in your own city. So I'm really excited to stay at the Plaza. I've heard nothing but amazing, amazing things. Obviously it's like an iconic hotel here. And for like Hudson to be able to come and like my fiance, we're like newly engaged. So we just thought it would be like a little fun staycation overnight. And we're checking out tomorrow, but I just have always wanted to experience the rooms. My dad is also obsessed with the Plaza Hotel, so maybe next time he comes, I'll just like put him in like an overnight at the Plaza just so he can like get the full experience. And I'm just excited to like take a shower, get ready, put on a robe, like get dressed in like the marble bathrooms. I'm just really excited. So once we get to the hotel, I will give y'all a tour, and which will be in like 10 minutes, right buddy? We're so close. So I'm so excited. And then I will show y'all my dress too because I'm so pumped for that. I just wish it didn't have the marks on it, but it is what it is. Hudson, you're gonna have to come back over here, buddy.
Babe, that's where we had the most romantic Valentine's dinner. Right there, you see it?
Where?
It says Philippe Chow's moving to...
Oh, Fifth Ave?
Yeah, but do you remember that was like the location? The whole location got...
Mine says Richie. Are you sure this is mine?
I still have to say Elmo.
Richie.
I was like, just put G.
No.
You probably heard Richie.
Thank you. Yum. I love
now
their...
you love me?
Yeah. Now I love you that you brought me a latte. Yeah, I'm talking. Caught you. I'm always recording. Just kidding. Yeah. All right, now we can head to the Plaza. Ooh, it's like kind of sweet. Some of the best coffee at Lay, babe. What'd you get? Americano?
Nice Americano.
Are you excited?
Very.
To be tourists in our own neighborhood?
In our own city?
In our own city? Yeah, I guess
Never
it's not our
stayed at the
neighborhood.
Plaza.
Me either. Oh, watch the water up there. All right, we're on our way. This is stunning. I mean, I didn't expect anything less, but it's a very similar layout to our apartment. But look at, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful.
It's all about the details.
It is all about the details. Look how pretty. Oh, I love the little chandeliers. I'm gonna take some inspiration for sure. And I love the tile. And then you go out. We have a nice full-length mirror here, which is amazing. And here is our beautiful room. We have a nice closet. Oh, they put all of our stuff in here, which is really nice. Ironing board. What's in here? Oh, wow. More storage. So nice. Do we have a view?
Of Manhattan?
Let me see. Pretty TV.
It's,
Oh, wow. Very cool. Oh, I've been to brunch down there in that building. They have a really cool, like, $100 buffet. It's like insane, but oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow, look at this book. The Plaza, New York. Oh, cool. It is an actual book. Love it. Hudson, you excited? You better be the goodest boy ever at the Plaza. All right, now we gotta get ready for the wedding. Because it's wedding time! Sunday. We are back in the Berg and we had an amazing time at the wedding. I got a few clips like on my phone, but it was absolutely unreal. The decorations, like everything, the setup was so stunning, and the bride's dress was amazing. So we got to stay at the Plaza Hotel like y'all saw, and it was such a great experience, and I'm so glad that we did it. But we are back in the Berg, and I just ran out to actually go grocery shopping, but on my way to the store, I stopped at Mother of Junk, which is a really cool thrift shop here in Brooklyn. And basically it's just a bunch of junk that you just have to like sift through and find something good. But they have really good plates and like mugs and things like that. So I did find some plates because, as you guys know from the engagement vlog, I believe, I ordered plates from Mason Madison, I think is the name. Well, I got them from Moda Operandi, but the brand was Mason Madison probably. And the order was canceled. So we still don't have any plates or anything, but I got these beautiful plates and they were $3. So I got 6 of them. And then my plan is to maybe just like coordinate with the Mason Madison plates and maybe like just get the bowls, because if you guys remember, they have like the blue lining on them, but I think these are really pretty and really unique. And they had a few of like the dessert plates, but they only had 2. And so they didn't have like the full collection, but they had like little teacups. Bless you! Are you okay? Anyways, Hudson was just having a sneeze attack. Are you okay? Okay. But anyways, all they have was like little teacups and stuff. So I do need like bowls and dessert plates and things of that nature. But I feel like blue is easy to find and like coordinate back with some other really cool plates. So that is my plan. I'm gonna run these through the dishwasher right now. And I love them. My fiance is gonna be so excited because we've been eating off of paper plates and we are still using plastic forks and knives and stuff like that. But I am trying to make some progress on this apartment today because I feel like I have not had a day to do nothing in weeks. Especially just like be at the apartment and like work on apartment things. I haven't had a second to do that, so that's what today is dedicated to. And then I'm also gonna go through and organize the second bedroom and like hopefully at least get through like 2 or 3 boxes. I did not go grocery shopping. I just picked up lunch from Joe and the Juice. I got a tuna cotta because there's now a Joe and the Juice in the city. Or sorry, not in the city, in Williamsburg. And we go there like all the time. But how cute. Oh wait, I think this plate, they look the same on camera, but this one is definitely a different blue. Oh well. I feel like that's like the fun of it, right?